Welcome, human beings. In the last few weeks, we have been dropping some hints. You have seen some glimpses, caught some details, and maybe already felt some possibilities. Today, it all comes together. You have asked for more. More colors, higher output, better precision, faster handling, a fixture that you can take to any stage, theater, TV, broadcast, or large-scale outdoor festivals, wherever you need it. It is built for those who demand total control and want to make sure to have a show ready in seconds. Today, you will hear from the people who made it possible, our product managers, engineers, designers, customer service, and more. You will feel passion, innovation, and engineering behind every single detail. It is built from legacy and evolved for more. This is ZENIT Generation 2. Let's go! And now please welcome Daniel, the product manager who made this project from vision to reality.
For 7 years, the ZENIT W600 G2 has built a legacy as the true workhorse of our industry. With almost 20,000 units sold to date, it continues to illuminate the world's most iconic stages, such as Tomorrowland, Glastonbury, or even the King Charles coronation ceremony concert. Throughout these 7 years, we have listened closely to the people who are using the fixture every day. Lighting designers, rental companies, riggers. They told us what they loved, but they were equally honest about things that could be improved. Over time, the industry evolved and expectations rose. Our customers began to ask for even more. Better colors, smarter handling, faster rigging, and broadcast-level light quality. That is what led us to the next chapter in the ZENIT story, the ZENIT Generation 2. The ZENIT G2 is powered by brand new 6-in-1 RGB ALC LEDs, delivering a gapless light spectrum. The result is an extensive palette of clean native colors and beautiful natural white tones. And speaking of white, the G2 achieves a CRI of 98 and a broadcast-optimized TLCI of 95. With output and efficiency redefined, the ZENIT W600 G2 delivers up to 32,000 lumens with less than 700 watt power consumption, outperforming competitors in the 800 watt until 1000 watt class. I see the G2 on so many stages across the world. Even when I'm touring with my own band, I stumble across it almost every time. We couldn't put all our ideas into the first generation, but we always knew there was more potential, and now we've unlocked it. Over 50% more output within the same footprint, made possible by smart and focused engineering. And now, as we go deeper into the technical details, please welcome Stefan on stage, who will tell you more about how we managed to fit all those features into the perfect housing.
From R&D side, one of the biggest challenges during development was keeping the compactness from G2 and adding such many great features. In special, the thermic handling of the 40-50 watt LEDs was challenging. Therefore, we've optimized the heating in a complex way. Supported by our Swiss partner, we did a bunch of heat simulation with many different parameters, providing one of the best cooling options. The result you can discover at our new ZENIT series. The fans draw the ambient air and push it through the cooling fins. The wave shapes generate turbulences, which gains the heat dissipation a lot. The fan power can be adapted on your individual need for your show. For noise-sensitive environment like theaters or big stages, where the focus is on maximum brightness, I'm quite sure you will find the right mode. And our thermal management system ensures a stable output all the time. Adding further important mechanic aspects, we use magnesium alloy, which meet the requirements for different applications like professional touring or outdoor shows, and allows to have such powerful fixture with 12.9 kg all. And now let's welcome Oliver, who will show us how smart product design brings sleek aesthetics and clever functional engineering together.
The G2 was designed with intention of adapting the main design lines from predecessor W600 and combining it with the new progress functions of the successor unit. The design was developed close to the Cameo design style guide, which allows unique surface design using our customized crystal and Y shapes for adding some thrilling, brave and bold details to create an outstanding look. The fixture is designed for maximum ease of use. It's easy to transport with one hand using the foldable handle on top. The Omega bracket has been repositioned for faster and safer attachment. Its clean look hides antenna and cables, and the features can be placed seamlessly side by side for continuous looks. Multiple safety eye options makes rigging faster and safer. While recessed grips in the base allow you to lift and handle the fixture directly from a light case. Backlit buttons ensure effortless control even in dark environments. The quick align scale allows fast uniform alignment of all fixtures. Finally, the ergonomically designed tilt knob provides clear feedback when the fixture is locked, preventing over-rotation and enabling faster, precise setup. With the Generation 2, we don't need to swap fixtures between theaters, broadcast or outdoor shows. One unit adapts to all of them. And now, let's hear from Alan, who will take us into the world of light show and application.
With the ZENIT G2, one fixture is all you need. It performs across a variety of lighting applications, from stage and tour to theater, TV, broadcast, and even car shows, with features like high CRI making it suitable for any situation. The fixture has a vertical segment control and a full range of connectivities, such as a 5-pin XLR for DMX, RDM, wireless solutions, or Lumen radio by the Timo FX chip, plus legacy mode and accessories that fit the G1 and G2, as well as the electronic frost filter. The frost filter SnapMag FX is electronically controlled by DMX. Electricity flows through a contact in the frame, allowing multiple levels of frost adjustments, with each DMX mode having a dedicated channel for precise control. The glass is held in a magnetic frame to ensure correct placement. If installed incorrectly, the contact doesn't connect and the frost stays off, preventing mistakes. Even in the clear state, slight light scattering naturally occurs due to physics, but it does not affect performance. This system allows users to instantly adjust frost levels without swapping physical filters. Filters are also clearly marked for easy identification, making operation simple and intuitive. And now, let's welcome Marcus, who will guide us through service excellence and show us how we support our fixtures and customers every step of the way.
When you invest in a lighting fixture, you don't just expect brightness. You expect reliability. And when things get tough, you expect someone to have your back. And that's where we come in, which basically means when the show must go on, it's our job to make sure that it actually does. With the Generation 1, we had thousands of fixtures in the field, from small venues to some of the world's biggest productions. That gave us something priceless: experience. We learned what lasts, we learned what breaks, and we learned how to make life easier for everyone who's working behind the scenes. That's why with the Generation 2, we didn't just improve the product, we reinvented the entire service experience. So what does it look like? First, the Cameo Connect app. Just hold your phone near the fixture and boom, instant connection. Just one tap and you and we have all necessary information to support you. Next, our brand new product service page. Just one click away and you have total access to all information of our products. Now, let's be clear. Service is not an afterthought. With Generation 1, we proved how durable our fixtures are. With Generation 2, we built on everything we learned. Tougher materials, smarter design, easier handling. So yes, our service team with steady grown service partners is ready anywhere and anytime. But the real goal? That you won't need us often. And honestly, we're okay with that. Because service isn't just about fixing problems. It's about trust. Trust that even in the middle of a festival, under rain, under pressure, your show goes on. And trust that if something ever does happen, we are there. Instantly, globally, personally. With the ZENIT Generation 2, you don't just get a fixture. You get a partner. A partner who will never leave you in the dark. And now, let's give the stage to Alex and Marcus.
Vision is about not what's obvious. It's about looking at things which not everybody's looking at. It's checking the details. It's seeing the possibilities behind the innovation and foremost, the emotion behind the light. At Adam Hall, we call that engineering fascination. Is when curiosity becomes creation. Is when creation becomes innovation. So we are very proud today to begin a new chapter for professional lighting, for creators, and for Cameo.
ZENIT G2 comes as a complete series, W1200, our high-power fixture for the biggest stages and longest throws. W600, versatile, reliable, and intuitive. For every studio, theater, and festival. W300, compact, precise, and flexible for smaller setups. B200, battery-powered freedom for location shoots and outdoor events. Every fixture delivers extreme brightness, perfect color, and smart handling. ZENIT G2 isn't just a tool, it's an invitation to dream bigger, move faster, and create inspiring experiences. And now it's Anastasia's turn to wrap everything up.
So, the question is, can I have it all like that? And the answer is yes. With ZENIT Generation 2, you totally can. When? The product will be available for orders starting from February on. This is not just a new generation of fixtures. It is a new generation of possibilities. Thank you for joining us today. The light is yours.
You know what it is. One fixture, any scenario, go. 32K like the scene like day. RGB ALC, every tone and play. From the rain to the rig, still shining clean. CRI 98, keep it real on the screen. One hand, one twist, lock it in place. NFC cap, every rig in the race. From the black to the bright, we don't miss a cue. Stage the studio, we're built for you.
Who's got the power?
We do.
Who's got the glow?
We do.
From the floor to the rafters, we're on the whole show.
Legacy gear, yeah, still fits right. Update sync, make it match tonight. Segment control, every beam in line. One tap, one time, that's by design.
Who's got the power? Who's got the glow?
We do.
From the floor to the rafters, we run the whole show. All eyes, total control. Any stage, we own the show. One fixture, any scenario. Lighting the stage, running the show.
ZENIT Generation 2.